Here's what happened in the later part of 2021 since we got elected in mid-September. We started things off with Games Day, where we applied the latest and greatest safe management measures in order to conduct the first physical event in a long time. We met some of you as well while we were giving out free ice cream, and I hope you enjoyed that. Following that, we had our co-option, which is where we grew our team significantly. In fact, we doubled in size, filling our directorship roles and then proceeding to begin subcommittee recruitment. Now we have over 120 members. Right after that, we revamped our newsletter. So for those of you who noticed, we gave it a visual overhaul, a new skin if you'd like. And we added a few elements, like a summary banner on top, and we restructured a few things to make the newsletter more digestible. We then had our Halloween scavenger hunt around the campus, which is where we dressed up and had a controlled time of trick-or-treating. Thank you to all that attended. We are really grateful for your participation, and we hope to continue to support you in this manner by giving you more opportunities to grow your support system. Not long after that, we had our exam welfare pack giveaway. A special thank you to all the subclubs that we collaborated with, and for the NUS Student Union's Welfare Projects arm for giving us welfare pack items as well. This year, we did a centralized and physical exam welfare pack giveaway while adhering to the prevailing safe management measures. Although it was a challenge to get approved, we managed to get it done and run it successfully together. So, to those of you who received the welfare packs, I hope you enjoyed it, and do let us know if you have any feedback. Within the first 4 months of our term, we launched a few new initiatives as well. Speaking of feedback, this year we launched Engin Club's Office Hours, where Monday to Thursday, 10 to 11 PM every week, there's this Zoom link, there's a feedback session where you can hop on and just, give us your unfiltered thoughts. You just come in, and our team members are there. I'm there most of the time, and you can directly talk to us to get your concerns addressed. We hope that it benefited those of you who joined. For those of you who didn't know about this, we'll still be continuing this initiative in 2022. We also launched 2 new Telegram bots this year. First, Engin Club's Finance Bot that allows all committees and those who are serving to have access to financial procedures in the palm of their hands. This was created by Rachel, our financial secretary. Secondly, we launched Engin Club's Feedback Bot made by Josh, our student relations director, that received a great inflow of responses. We realized that this is one way that you prefer to communicate, and we're so glad that you availed yourself of this way to give us feedback. We will be forwarding this initiative in 2022. This year, we also launched for the first time ever a proactive wellness initiative, where we have wellness ambassadors conducting wellness workshops throughout the semester. We conducted 2 of these workshops, clay making in September and art jamming in October. Thank you so much for your overwhelming support and participation. We will be continuing initiatives like this in 2022, as well as other wellness initiatives that I will be talking about in the next segment. Furthermore, we officially launched our Engin podcast and premiered our pilot episode on study spaces during Reading Week, where we bring you around NUS to show you the best study spots. Thank you for all the feedback. This is a huge learning process for us, and we're trying to apply the feedback so that we can do better. For our upcoming podcast, have you heard about the Metaverse? Specifically built by Horizon Worlds under Meta, previously known as Facebook. Well, in December, we had a conversation with some people over at Horizon Worlds who are building this community. I'm going to let you listen to a few seconds of it right now.
And it's an amazing time to show people what Horizon Worlds is about, what is the metaverse about, and what is it like to connect with people and have real connection. And this is the part I just love so much about, and why I am so sold, is it takes what we had on Facebook and actually makes it real. It gets rid of the trolls, it gets rid of all of the awful and gives you genuine human connection, like what we're feeling right here in a Zoom call, which is not even like we're close to what we feel in Horizon Worlds, but in Horizon Worlds, you can see my hands. I can give you thumbs up that explode. Wow. The metaverse is awesome and it's coming. It's going to take a decade, but the future's bright.
I'm so excited to release this because we also got one of the first ever Asia beta access codes to Horizon Worlds. By the way, I think I'm getting ahead myself, but we have a lot of exciting stuff coming out in 2022, and one of them is a new virtual reality initiative, but I'll share that in the next segment. So yeah, we had a podcast recording in December that will be released very soon. We also had our alumni engagement event. As I announced earlier in the year, we were going to engage alumni and get feedback, and so we did, to figure out how we can blend the two communities together, current students and alumni. How can we help each other to create a synergy between us and a sense of belonging for our alumni? We also had a community engagement initiative in late December, where our community engagement wing engaged Thong Teck's homes, male and female wards, in a day full of activities. Related to volunteering, we also have a new volunteering channel linked below, so if you're interested in volunteering opportunities, join us. We also launched our guest post initiative, where we allow you to submit posts to us and we'll post it on our social media platforms after giving you credit for the benefit of our student community. We launched it and we received an inflow of submissions that led to the creation of our Meme Mondays. Meme Mondays is a place where we feature your memes on our Instagram account in the form of stories to relieve you of your Monday blues. Apart from that, we have our new Engin funding initiative, where we disperse funds to support projects that benefit our student community. I'd like to let you know of 3 notable ones. Number 1, we're involved in funding and creating a new student club in NUS. We're very excited about that, and I'll share more details when the time is right. Number 2, we're funding a virtual reality initiative. This is parked under our wellness initiatives, and we'll definitely be sharing more information very soon. And number 3, we're also supporting various student life projects run by different student groups. Prior to that, we even helped in the formation of a new sports CCA that's run by our very own engineering students. So we're doing a lot of beautiful things here, and if you want to be part of it, you can avail yourself of the funding with the details below. Go ahead and execute your idea. Do not let resources limit you. Lastly, we had a work session with the DE Club in order to prepare for CD Club formation matters, which includes college values, branding, and other operational items. The work for the formation of CDE Club is ongoing and we're very excited about it. Alright, those are most of the student-facing items that we've been working on since our election in mid-September. There are a few other internal items that we've done, but I'll spare you of that. And that was a recap of what we did in 2021.